Helo, y gymuned Twitch Cymraeg ar-lein. Gobeithio chi'n cadw'n iawn. Dwi'n licio F1. Dwi'n licio meddwl dwi'n dda yn F1. Ras dwytha, ras gynta'r season, Bahrain. O'n i'n fucking shit. O'n i'n shit. Dwi'n cael amser reflectio ar ras dwytha. Bob un call o'n i'n gallu dy wrong. Dwi'n nes yn wrong. Ond mae Stroll fel yn shit. Lod o beth Anthony, iawn.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
So, ras newydd, cwpreitio. Point. Point yn y ras. Dim yn mynd i ddigwydd, cos mae yn start y car. Top speed ni yn isel. O, meic yn isel. Well rhan. Dwi'n gwybod un. So. Yeah. So. Sbir y stats yma. The top speed in shit. The low speed in shit. High speed in shit. Medium speed in shit. Mae'n pa mae aros yma fyny. So. Dwi'n really gwybod sydd wedi cael points da. Os di rhywun awydd jumpio fewn yn y stream heddiw, rhowch shout mi, gawch chi join fi trwy Discord. Ella sy'n hynna'n... os da chi eisiau de, was os dim. Ond fel arall... Let's get to it. Race preview. Let's have a look. Yn poen hwnna. O, mewn... Dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi gwneud balls up yn cael 2 boi newydd hefyd, cos dwi'n meddwl dwi'n sgint. Dim watch. Dim watch o hynna. So fe... Na. O'n i'n coci ar as dwytha. Dwi'n cyfadda hynna. O'n i'n coci. So.
Formula One is back. Welcome to one of the fastest circuits on the calendar here at Jeddah. The Saudi Arabian Grand Prix is about to kick off, and the atmosphere here is electric. The Jeddah Street Circuit has one of the fastest average speeds, as well as the most corners of any track on the calendar. Good high-speed downforce is going to make life in the fast lane
Most corners?
easier for drivers here this weekend. We might still be early in the season, but that doesn't
Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n licio'r track.
relax. Everything is up for grabs, and nothing is certain at this stage. Okay then, let's get to it.
Iawn. Alla i ddim neud practice. So chai fi neud practice. Oh, okay, so gawn ni... So, dwi eisiau stwff o fewn y glas, ond ar max, ie? Dwi'n cymeryd, ie? Hynna dwi eisiau de. Traction, ie. Straight. Oh my god, so straight fi. O, diolch yn fawr o ti. Ti'n mynd i methu... Ti'n mynd i methu ffwc ar as heddiw de. Point. Guaranteed point on the table heddiw. I ni. guaranteed points. Ond diolch am dy helo. O'n i'n meddwl just o fewn y glas. Wel, straight, dwi eisiau max straight dys. Dwi'n cymryd dys. Yn fela. Villa? Ym hynna? Optimal setup range. Okay, mae cornering yn really shit hwnna. Ydw i'n mynd i sacrifice cornering am straight line speed? Hynny, mae cornering fi reit isel. Dyn jet da ddo. Dwi am hynna. Okay. Be dwi'n mynd efo strol? Yn yr hilcon beth yw'n? Okay, so mi o'n reit yn canol, okay? So na gadael fo fath o canol, fath o baseline. So strol di baseline fi. Okay, bod dim yn canol. Hwn ydi big brain fi. Big brain. Test fi. Sacrifice a cornering am high speed. Gawn ni gweld, ia? Gawn ni weld. Practice one, di anyway. Neb yn... Simulator, dwi'n siarad ffocin gwatcha hwnna, guys. So, oedd Vettel yn gynt, ddo. O lot. Ww. Stop it. Na, most... Zero... So fel... Am mwy, there's 0.31, sbia? O ie, 0.3... Oce, dwi'n meddwl bod hwnna'n... Set up confidence. Dwi'n cael newid set up fi. What? Ai hwnna. Practice 2. Let's go. What? Sut mae hwn di newid I gyd? O, sut mae hwn... Be dwi wedi rang, wan? Mae hwnna'n holl o wahanol, wan. Big stability. Bod dim... Na ta? Give me 20. Pace mode. O, iawn, oce. Medium, dwi eisiau gwybod beth i medium pace fi, oce? Dwi'n mynd poeni am... Is i'n gosod hyn fel hyn, ddo? Medium size, dwi eisiau gwybod beth i medium run ni. Dwi wedi ffwcio hwnna fynd yn barod do. Dwi wedi ffwcio ras ma'n barod do. Oce, lle dyn ni arni? Fucking hell, dyn dal eisiau... te. Oh my god. Dyn ni no man's land. Yeah. Set of confidence though. Pam y strawn y well! Pam y strawn y well! Pam y strawn y well!
We return for the next day of our highly anticipated race weekend, which sees the end of practice and the start of qualifying. Ahead of the race tomorrow, the teams will be putting their practice data to use and making sure that their drivers have the very best chance of setting a lap time that will edge out the competition in qualifying. Drivers may know a track inside and out, but unless they have the setup to complement their ability, their efforts may be for nothing. Strap yourselves in. This is Formula One.
This is Formula One, trademarked by Liberty Media. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, so, come on, Vettel, you're 4 times world champion. Back a fucking self-respect, man. Man. I'm fit on bit. Stick back on the softs. Run plan. Give me 20 laps on the softs. Oh, actually, oedd ni'n rhedeg mediums rhan dwytha dyn. Oedd ni'n rhedeg mediums. Okay, so dwi'n hynda, dwi'n hynna. Pan ti'n mynd tynnu gais, mae'n... Trying to villa there. Compounds the steer shafts. 15 laps. Oh my god, dwi wedi mynd slofach. Fuck this up. 3 seconds. 3 seconds till Verstappen. The two, yeah, dwi dal... Okay.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay, should be green now.
Un run. Dwi isio 2 set. Oh my god, 2 mediums gyda fi. Oh, actually, ni'n meddwl mae hyn gyda, so fel yna iawn. Oedd hynna well. Wait a minute, not that. Design is my passion. A bit like that. Bit like. Okay. Un run dwi'n neud. Dwi isio 2 set o softs. Dwi isio 2 set o... Dwi ddim yn mynd i wastio 2 set o softs fel nes i tyd dwytha. Not happening. Absolutely not happening. Attack Ripper yn low. Dwi isio 1 run da ni'n cael. Big brain. Iawn. Strol gynta. Strol gynta, 1 lap. Oes allan ta Lucy? Ffwc mae o? Pam dwi'n mwyn cael gweld fo? Pam dwi'n mwyn cael gweld o? Oh my god, diolch yn fawr, am fydden. Go on. Ac ti'n meddwl lle ddau yma neud o fucking magic laps. Let's go. Attack. Push.
Pick up the pace a bit.
Yep.
Energy if you need it.
Yeah, okay.
So. Clear, dim traffic do, dwi'n eisiau na efo traffic na. Yeah, 5 minutes ago. Dwi wedi gyrru allan. Pam dwi'n mwyn gweld amser o relative i pobl eraill? Pa dwi'n cael... Dwi'n dangos os di'n slofach neu cynt.
Rears are hot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking off! That's off! Seriously. Come on. Rhaid i hwn fod yn top 10. Sbia speed ar y boi. Oh, for fuck's sakes! Ydy Alpine just blocio fo?
Yeah, take it easy.
Yeah.
Un lap am gael. Sut mae Stroll 132? O. Dwi'n dangos fastest lap. Come on.
So we're happy to let these tyres cool.
Fuck off! Gad
Copy.
yn nid la. O, Alban, dwi'n fel. Sut dwi'n cael? Ah, na fo. Un dwi'n dangos I fi... relative, na di. So'n byd relative I fatha 15th na gais. Allai wedi feddwl? Oh my god. .5 seconds off the pace.
Okay, and all the way to zero. All the way to zero. Car off.
Oh my god, Spear.
It's race day, and final preparations are underway.
Aston
It was
Martin
wrong.
did a good job during qualifying, and they're pretty much where everyone expected them to be on the grid. Now, it's up to them to defy expectations during the race itself. Haas proved quite resourceful during qualifying. That puts them in a very good position to make the most of this race start. And clouds are stretching across the sky tonight, which means that teams and drivers alike will be nervously watching.
Ow. Mae gen i 21 laps. Mae gen hein. Na, gwaith. Yw. Attack. Just in. That. "12 laps, all out attack. All out attack. Hynna sgynna fi dan sylw. Just fucking just flat out. Just fucking gynio. Whoa, curtain tyres. What? Okay. $50 lap race. 50 laps o cychwyn. 50 laps o fanna. Fucking gun-ho. Gun-ho. A be? Yeah. Soft, medium soft there. I'd do some fucking taniau there. The T and hynna. Hynna di'r dau race strategies gynna fi. Mae'n 1709, 1713, 1714, 1728. So mae'n 1709. So dwi'n sticio fe. Mae'n 1714, 13, 28. That's my idea fyna. Efo hwn, os dwi'n go hwn yn shit, allai dod o fe fewn am softs. Dwi jyst eisiau rhywun random. Dwi jyst eisiau safe pair of hands o fanna. Mynd amdani. Crack on.
It's a cloudy night tonight, but otherwise the weather looks good for the race. Looking at Lance Stroll. They're in the back half of the pack, so they'll need to work hard if they want a podium finish.
Got this.
Second driver, it's Sebastian Vettel. They'll be starting the race from the bottom half of the grid, so there's a fair bit of ground to make up. And we're just moments away now.
Realistically, dwi eisiau goffan o flaen Williams.
Saudi Arabian Grand Prix.
So dim yn cael...
And it's lights out, and away we go!
All out, just fucking tankiau. Yes,
So use energy.
Copy that.
Gad y ffocin drwad. Gad y drwad. On.
Use energy if you need.
Copy.
Gad o ffocin drwad! Ffwcio chdi. Ffocin... Na, hynna. Ti'n hofio hwnna?
We think we can lean on the tyres more.
Copy.
Efo, sbeth ffocin Vettel then. Come on, Vettel. Hynna, had.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place.
Sure. Dwi eisiau pasio Latifi ACP wan. Ond mae Latifi a soft hefyd.
DRS in, eh?
Come on, what a pass, what a pass!
That's it.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
Car dwi wedi designio mor cool. Dwi'n gallu gael o'n downside. Dwi eisiau ffocin Vettel dal hein I fyny o'n de. Harvest, sol hein o'n.
We just need to charge up.
Copy.
Dwi'n mynd gen I DRS am chydig gannys. Sy'n mae'r TRs fi cyfer efo pobl eraill. Oh my god, sbio. Ond hyn oedd y plan o'r cychwyn, de. Dwi'n mythu...
To back off.
Copy.
Fuck, a ten yma oes. Shit, bydd dan yr 1 second window.
Lift and coast will help.
Okay.
Ie, dwi eisiau cael DRS yn ôl ys.
Copy.
Dwi'n licio pan dwi'n dewis rhywbeth o fama a dwi'n colli hyn. Dwi'n licio hynna.
Drop back a bit.
Okay.
So fe mae strol angen bach o... Fucking...
Push more.
Okay. Okay.
Use energy.
Copy.
Metal yn... Fucking deploy...
You can use energy. Use energy. You can use energy.
Yeah, copy.
You can stop lift and coast.
Copy.
Sgai strol i basio Latifi. Oh, look at this, look at this. Dwi'n mynd efo'r pes i pasio Hasman o dw. O, yndw? Outside?
Doing a good job, keep pushing.
O, na! A dwi angen...
We have low back.
Shit!
Copy.
Oh, sbia! What an overtake!
This is good.
Oh shit, na, 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 na.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position. Let's have a look. So this was the Aston Martin.
Fuck, is fel ta?
And there they go, moving up a position. Just
No saving required.
Okay.
Dwi methu, Dwi methu cael gwared y tren.
Play for.
All okay on fuel, so you can do what you want for speed.
Yeah.
Dwi'n mynd i ddal Vettel bach yn ôl fan'na.
Good job.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place.
What? So, di basio barod? Yes, munud dwi'n dechrau pwysio nôl, dwi'n gorfod pwysio car fi flat out. Neu dwi'n colli DRS tren.
So we just need to push now.
Yeah, copy.
PS car fi ddim digon da I ddal fyny fo'r tren fa. So we do 1.4 seconds run. Just deploy ar y stretch.
So use energy if you need it.
Yeah.
To fuck the tears man. Yeah, just myth the development angen I wella true that. Dwi'n investio hen digon. Sbio lap dwytha na. Yeah, deploy. You full on attack of a Vettel os gwybod ddim atab I ddim byd. Oh, to beth dwi'n got big brain. Big fucking brain. Big brain. Fucking... Dwi'n eisiau safio na 1. So dwi'n newid. Iawn. Big brain. Soft mediums. Soft mediums dwi'n mynd I wneud.
Save fuel, save fuel.
Yep.
We can push more.
Yeah.
Iawn, dwi'n dod I fewn in the pit window. I'm soft. I clean air. And I just fucking... It's been harvested fan at a bitch. Servo.
Some lift and coast will help that.
Copy.
Hela. Just hammer at TR's man. Cos mae TR's fi wedi dropio fan. Dwi'n mynd I dal I fyny efo pobl o flaen fi. Mae hard... Mae hard a mediums nhw just yn...
This is good, come on.
Stone ola! Gedi Danny Rick yn dropio wan fyd. Dwi'n chargio a conserve lap fuel. That's the plan. Fucking Bottas gaat like a fifth. What's my matter?
Good job.
Aston Martin are moving up the field.
In two positions, da iawn. That's what digwydd efo, that's not 2 seconds. F9. Dim cweit efo'r... Ti'n cael neud newid o'ch di disgwyl? Pit. Box. Pit. Box. Get that car in my fucking bits.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Come on, do that. Okay, I'm doing it. You just didn't move off.
And McLaren with a great overtake. Let's take a closer look. Watch this. We're looking at Lando Norris.
Oof. Come on, come on. Push, deploy. Stroll there. Oh, I cael Stroll i just fod yn dick, yeah?
Let's make sure we keep them behind.
Yeah.
Ideal. Ideal.
So we're happy to let these tyres cool a bit.
Yeah.
So back off.
Copy.
Okay, so mae gynnu fi 15 laps eraill ar hein. Slapio am bach o mediums wedyn. Ond Vettel sy'n soft, swan. Ydyn dal hyn i fyny, fan. Hynna, dwi eisiau gwybod. Yndi, gasbio. Yes, come on, Stroll, ffwcyn o fyny. Na, big brain move. Soft mediums ydi Vettel fan. Spin off, fuck your ass, fucking, on the minute, let's go. Yes. Okay, everything you got, son. Shit. I know.
What?
Still a lot to play for.
A position gained for Alfa.
Yeah, too much, I know. Vettel angen fucking clear Williams rwan. What a move! What a move!
That's it.
Dwi'n cael clip am hwnna. 2 in 1.
Looks like Aston Martin.
Yes, sbio hwnna.
The race position.
Sbio hwnna.
See what happened there. Taking a look again, it involves Sebastian Vettel.
Fucking 4-time world champion, innit? Okay, I've got the piece. I've got the piece. It's a handy. Ja, så du har en passion boy mer I tant Johan. One you man. Det vet hards och det väl. Oh my gosh, man! This is why people love F1! Shit. Okay.
You're doing a good job. Keep pushing.
Come on. Shit, she fuckar väl ner I RS. Yes!
Copy.
Woo!
Okay, good job.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a
Good fucking good move.
play. So this
Spear.
was the Aston Martin.
Easy. No ERS. I'm gonna fucking another. Harvest, ja. Dwi'n gallu dal I fyny. Na, mae pe... Oce, o'n i'n cwffio fyna, Don. O'n i'n cwffio fyna. Oh, shit. Dwi'n harvester chyfo. Neu siôn oedd y defense ar y stretch. Sut mae... Fuck off!
Use energy if you need it. Use energy.
Come on.
Copy.
Come on.
This is a joke.
Stay cool, man. You're doing a good job.
It's about... Attack here, just attack.
Push now.
Attack.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
No saving required.
Copy.
Ti'n bys yn shit, though. Dwi'n mynd I fucking twigio beth o'n. Gwan you, di fucking... Fi o'n mynd yn y diwedd, mae'n siŵr ar y hards ma'n di. So dwi'n colli 20 seconds o fanna. This. Oh shit, we got the DRS went under.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
Come on.
Here's the replay. Taking a look again, it involves Sebastian Vettel. Goodness me, there they go. Moving it.
Looking good. Bastard!
Copy.
Okay, I need a lap to 24.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place.
A lap at all.
You've got loads of energy.
Copy.
Ah, she harvested me. I know.
Okay, happy to lift and coast.
Copy that.
Over hard. They open two stop here to one. Harvester, wie is dat een harvester? Another 2 laps.
Struggling with tires.
Daar lag niet. Daar lag niet.
Is it working what we're doing?
Daar niet. Dat is hem.
Get the tyres down now.
Okay.
Faint, mae hard. Ydw i jyst yn rhaid hard ta. Ydw i jyst yn... It's getting the hard.
Box.
No.
No. Oh.
And a new position, just gained by Williams.
Faint ydw i fain Alban. Byddai to Alban at all. Faint mae mediums gallu neud? 32 laps. Rhaid i Stroll just aros. The soft test heb die heb gweithio.
This is good. Come on.
Pit lane.
Yeah, copy. He's pit, is it?
Doing a good job. That's going to help you.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
Drop back a bit.
Copy.
3 laps. It's a mumba.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place.
With 27 seconds till. Go on, here you go. It's a pobl sydd dal I pitio. Albon na, stôl I pitio li. Tiers. Vettel. Okay. Get in. Paid mynd I fewn! Sut ydw I fewn?
Box, box.
Okay, I'm happy to box.
Oh my god, it's about 10, it's only. No! Embarrassing. Okay. So aggressive.
Happy to push.
Copy.
Yeah, I don't need no man's land. The bear.
Yeah, take it easy.
Okay.
Used energy.
Okay. Okay.
We just need to charge up.
Okay, copy.
Another stellar race from the lads of Emma.
Save fuel.
Yeah.
Fel ydy. Fe sy'n byd arall dwi'n gallu neud. I-lap 45. Oh my god, so piercing.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place. And there's an overtake from Williams.
Ar 0.1 yn
There's been contact and several
Whoa!
involved.
Several cars.
Look now. Let's have another look. Science is the focus here.
Oh my god, Spear. Whoa!
That's the contact there. Oh, there's chaos on the track.
Yn iawn ddo. Yn dal yn rhedeg. Right. Just all out attack. All out
They'll
attack.
come to us.
Yep.
Steveville. Steveville. Steveville.
You can stop lift and coast.
Yeah, copy.
Just get the fucking cars home.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
We're not okay on fuel.
Copy.
Sut dwi'n mynd i gael...
I suggest lift and coast.
Okay.
So back off.
Okay.
5 more laps. 5 more laps.
Yeah, copy.
Fuck, mae Albon yn fast. Oh. Llawer yn byd, really, cos... Mae'n fucking 30 seconds. Defend. Safety car?
Safety car. Safety car. Keep the delta positive, obviously.
Be dwi'n neud? Be dwi'n neud? Ignore. Mae gynna fi... Oh shit! Oh.
We've just had a crash on the track.
Yellow exit of 6. Yellow exit of 6.
Dwi'n... Dwi'n...
Copy.
Bydd ddim rasio. Eisiau fetlu fewn am softs. Ond sa'n ffocin... Sy'n neb i rasio. Finishing behind the safety car. Siomedig. Oh, last lap. Oh.
Last lap. Last lap.
Some...
And obviously no overtaking until the control line.
Yeah.
Ti'n ma'n cael unlockio dy hyn? Union fel am yna bob tro.
And when we restart overtaking, control line.
Yeah, okay.
That's Leclerc. Charles Leclerc is today's winner.
Dim eisiau gwybod. Dim eisiau ffocin gwybod. Three stopper. 134. Difficult race. Yeah. 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 Be dwi'n gallu neud rwan i ffocin... Be, os ydych chi'n just neud beth online i fi gael ffocin just copio? Dim yn ola, nagon, o'n i ddim yn ola. F1 Manager 2022 tips. Ie, hynna dwi ddech yn meddwl. Fatha... 10 top tips. Car sets of confidence. Sut dwi'n cael... Oh my god, iawn, oce. Car setup. Oh my god, too long. Okay, one strategy I use, I set the car in opposite ways to each driver, so one driver gets the complete opposite setup from the other. Once both drivers complete their first stint of practice, then you get to see their feedback. Ah! Okay, dwi'n mynd i treu na. Dwi'n mynd i un ras arall, yn gwrs o fod yn aros efo fi, dwi'n mynd i un ras arall. Iawn. 3 cars. Mae'n dal i fynd yndi, underfloor ma. Dwi'n am rili neud yn byd o hynna. Be os facilities? O, sbio? Pen hyn dwi isio? Wind tunnel. Fuck it. Yeah, 10... Fuck... Yeah, let's go. Wind tunnel newydd. Tam lot allan neud efo'r car am wan agos. Dwi'n sticio efo'r powertrain gynta ma. Ta dwi'n rhoi powertrain newydd i nhw. Ydw i'n neud hynna? Dwi'n cael hynna. Has, dwi'n poeni amdan. Dwi'n am nhw well na ni'n bob dim. Sut dwi'n rhaid... Hwna. Manage to build car parts. Warehouse. Engine. Dwi'n rhaid engine newydd. Ynddo. Na, dw. Okay, mae pob cael fucking car brand spancar rwan. Brand fucking spancar. No diod. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, done. Important email. Whatever, don't care. Don't fucking care. A bit of salmon jerky for protein.
Welcome to Melbourne.
Oh shit, on him and
Fierce
muted.
competition. We're a stone's throw from the beach here at the Albert Park Circuit. It might be party mood in the grandstands, but in the paddock, expectations and tensions are high. The Albert Park Circuit is bursting with rapid corners and a long straight where drivers can push their speed to the limits. Good attention to medium speed downforce will likely make beating this beast of a track just a little bit easier. At this early stage in the season, there are still plenty of opportunities for
By design.
in this sport. There simply are no guarantees. Let the weekend begin.
Oh, iawn, oce. Iawn, mae yna thing dwi wedi ffindio fa ma. Da ni eisiau car yn opposite. So ti'n mynd fel there. Villa there. Oh, this is the villa. Okay, villa there. Dwi'n mynd i ddechrau hwn. Yr opposite. Villa. Bang. Villa. Simulate. Confirm. Yn iawn. Okay. Good and bad. It's good. Okay, my first citation like this. So how the car there. In the first stint, you should be able to tell if the driver from car 1 likes some of the settings. Jo, Villa, ja. Good, good. Good. Villa. There. Villa? Dwi'n mwyn gwybod beth mae... Ti'n optimal? So optimal yn 4.6. Optimal yn fanna. Okay. Fanna. A Villa. Dal, mae'n gwybod beth dwi'n neud, ie. Car setter. Okay, blue bars. Oh my god, bitte hin. Oh, poi mașina gămăt. Poi mașina gămăt. Gwanta. Dwi'n gwachio fideos o pobl yn neud tests. Seem bad. Be, dwi'n mynd i ultiforio hwnna. Nôl i fewn iddo fo. Nôl i fewn iddo fo. Dwi'n benderfynol dysgu sydd i byncyn. Yna. Ooh.
Thank you for joining us here today.
Ooh, sbio. Okay, so hwn bach yn well rwan. Okay, so mae hyn fod yn edrych yn well. Straight, dwi isio... Fel yna. Okay. Pad. Into laps. Compound pad. 20 laps. Is hi'n optimal o fyna? Gates pad. Yw'n dda un eich. Mae'n dda dda. Seven. 13. 7, 3. 5. 45. Okay. So no, manage practice simulates. Okay, so dwi fod bach well rwan. Oh, way off there. Oh well. Let's simulate. th and 19th. Oh my god! Okay.
It's time for the final touches here on...
Iawn. Well, ta dwytha. So dwi hanner dall sy'n mae'r car setup yn gweithio wan. So mynd yn rhywbeth. So what's the strategy? TR 120, 120. Yeah. It's an peth there. Die wint voor die wint Dim byd big brain,
I
man.
don't want to tempt fate, but there are quite a few clouds overhead as we look at the lineup on the grid.
Huh? Huh?
There's Sebastian Vettel. They're starting in the bottom half of the grid today, so there's a lot of cars between them and the podium. There's Lance Stroll, down the grid. They'll be starting the race from the bottom half of the grid, so there's a fair bit of ground to make up. Everything's been building to this. Get ready for the Australian Grand Prix. And it's lights.
Go, go, go.
Here we go.
You can use energy. Use energy. You can use energy.
Copy.
Lla i ffaffian.
Copy.
Good job.
That's it.
You're doing a good job.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
Da un o jumpio Schumacher, hwnna, rhywbeth.
Let's make sure we keep them behind.
Yeah.
Suggest lift and coast.
Okay.
Save fuel.
Yeah.
Be? Na. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n rhy conservative pan mae'n dod i safio petrol. Nuts, mae Schumacher... Schumacher. So mae Vettel lot cynt o Stroll. Ie? Killing the earth.
DRS enable.
Use energy.
Bydd angen dal fyny cefn Snowda wan oes. Full on. Yndi. Dwi wedi reid hold back cars i Stroll. So i fo cael buildio gap i Vettel. I Vettel cael fucking just fucking tanio i. Ar hyn o bryd, sgyn Vettel di ymateb i Tsunoda. Dwi'n... So we just the tab. Ah, bastard, just off. What the hell's going on here, Spear?
We just need to charge up.
Copy.
So back off.
Copy.
Save fuel, save fuel.
Okay.
Så ett minute du ser fuel, Jasper? Men jeg skjønner det er mediums. Ok, men jeg er mediums. Men her oppe. Begynner. Åh! Oh my god, smell the teeth! Fi di pasio stôl!
Stay cool, man. You're doing a good job. Use overtake.
Okay.
Good job.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place.
Oh, maar Schumacher, die fucker är Schumacher in there. It's with 2 seconds off. So we're hard. It's a different race. It's a different race.
Happy to push.
Okay.
Energy if you need it.
I skip your
Yep.
I skip your lap. Oh my god, så pass vi.
What?
Still a lot to play for. Pick up the pace a bit.
Copy.
Paid a gadael Schumacher in, seriously. Much, just fucking.
Use overtake.
Come on.
Now let's have a look. It's Lance Stroll. Dear me, they won't have been expecting that. That's going to be a big blow to the team. Will
Give
they
me
be
your
able to
carbon,
recover?
bitch.
We'll see. It's a collision.
Okay. Smack on some hards. Smack on some hards. Front wing. And it. Ie, lle ffwc oedd o wedi fynd? Pitio rwan. Wel, ti pitio rwan, de? Fem change. Ydw. Hwna'n misleading, de? Mae ras fod osodd. Standard, push.
Yeah, take it easy.
Neutral. Okay, ti'n. Mynd ti wedi tynnu fe allan o auto mode ti'n mynd i wneud yn byd efo nhw. Okay, tara, dwi'n mynd poen nhw'n chdi fo. Sbio faint wedi iwsio ti ers Schumacher ddo. Dwi'n gallu neud... So mae pace fit yn erbyn... Hein. Stopio sgrwlio. Os allai neud tiers yma para de, allai neud just fucking soft ar y diwedd. A just fucking tankio i. Mae Albon dal fi fyny de. Be? Ai lap 20. Lap 20. Tactic da, be? Dod o strol am hard, jyst gadael allan. Oops, digwyd yma. Yellow flag. Si'n nhw da.
It's a crash!
Dal i fynd o. Dim byd fancy. O, costroliol pobl fyny, ie. Dwi'n meddwl hynna fyddai'n neud pob ras o'n. Just... Ie. P14 ddo, oce, mae Norris... Dwi'n mynd i'n byd special yma. Dwi jyst eisiau tiers ma para. Os allai neud y tiers ma para, allai smacio bach o soft ar ei ddiwedd o. Sector 3, pwys yn Sector 3?
Sounds like someone's locked up. Let's take a closer look. Now we see Valtteri Bottas. And this, yes, there, that's the lockup.
Jam man. Norris ar yn hyn ni. Norris is not our fight. It's not our fight anyway. Fuel management, Vettel ddim y gorau de. Dwi'n tempted i weld os allai wneud o parent. Sbeth dwi'n... It's laps, so. Oh my god, sbio gwaniaeth rhwng softs. Sbio? Yn yna? Dwi just sticio fy game plan. Os beth dwi'n gallu cael bach mwy o laps allan hyn? Os beth yna i just pwysio... Be? Lap 35. Dwi'n meddwl allan ni lap 35 da. A dwi am cael... So mae hwnna uwch ben fanna. Dwi'n meddwl allai gael o... Dwi'n racing for position yma, na dwi. Not my fight. Right, na i adio... Lap 23. Let's have a look.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
Okay, do.
Let's have a look. Taking a look again, it involves Sebastian Vettel.
Overtake on pace. Pace alone.
Goodness me.
Overtake on pace.
Moving it.
Pam mae Ricardo yn just bod yn Ricardo fanna? O, dwi'n tol on. Dwi'n gallu install... Sbio dwi'n cael o? Sbio ar y map, yr thing. Wow, laps arall. Dim bach o laps. O, sbio beth sydd ar ôl fi, sbio beth sydd ar ôl fi.
Was that a lock-up on the track? Is that a new race position for Haas?
Ie, mae'n iawn. Not our fight, not our fight. Seven laps. Ys di pitio? Fi... Schumacher di pitio, gath o'i... Sgwm am damage, ddo. Sbia ddo, sbia. Dwi'n meddwl allaeth Vettel, allaeth Stroll mynd yn y diwedd.
No saving required.
Yeah, okay.
Sut ydw i am tiers? I'm gonna... Siw gwybod os allai cael nhw I bara, ie.
Save fuel.
Yeah.
Dwi'n mwyn gwybod beth i neud efo. Vettel. Mae'n dal fi fyny. Eto. Taco.
Pushing now.
Yeah, copy.
Light.
Use energy if you need it. Use energy.
Copy.
Save fuel, save fuel.
Yeah.
Beth ydy Iwan, iawn? Dwi'n yn y rock yn y hard place o Vettel on. So mae projection fi. So dwi'n gallu cario ymlaen. Dod o fewn yn hwyrach. I want to bring the softs in there. I want to bring the softs in. Lle rhai fi gallu dreifio i'r softs fod yn thing. Ta fydd raw pace fi just rhy shit wedyn. Na. So beth na I wan ydi, na I just hammer o tiers yma, ie. Dwi jyst eisiau iwsio TRs mae fyny wan.
So back off.
Copy.
Na, neu bell yn iwsio yn soft, ond... Dwi wedi bod reit conservative ras yma, do. Schumacher dal wedi pitio, Albon dal wedi pitio. So, y ran hynna, dwi'n top nhw.
So we have low back in.
Copy.
You can stop, lift and coast.
Yeah.
Dwi yn...
Just need to charge up.
Copy.
Ran Stroll, de, dwi'n concerned about him, de. And he's going all the way, de. He's going all the way in hards, de. Albon, dwi'n meddwl, mae Schumacher o ti as shots, de. Pitting options fi, be di pitting options fi? TRs were down, still good. They're still fucking good. Three laps, yeah. Dwi'n adio 2 lap iddyn nhw. Cos... Okay, mae Schumacher dwi'n poeni amdano fan. Lap history fo. So, oedd o ar 125, iawn. 125.5. So, os di o ar ffwc o speed wan. A Albon ar pit hefyd.
Energy's good.
Copy.
Na, dwi'n pwysio. Dwi'n... Albon a... Mae Synoda mynd i basio fi anyway, so dwi'n poeni am Synoda. Be ydi lap times? What? 130, 134? What?
So Sebastian, we are all okay on fuel, so you can do what you want for speed.
Yeah.
Dwi eisiau the soft, sir. Oh, 123 is okay, get in. It's this lap. Ges I 4 lap allan o fo, eto dwi wedi...
Box, pick and pump.
Stroll, though. Oh, he's going home. Yeah.
Sebastian, pit lane.
Copy that. So use the pit limiter, pit limiter.
We just harvest to him. Oh shit, my outstopping slow. Okay, I fucked that up. I fucked that up. I'm gonna be. Give it 2 laps. Give it 2 laps. So we've been 2-2 efo Verstappen. Am I making this work? Oh my god, Spear. Look at that. So we dal I fyny efo fucking Verstappen yma, on pace. So, sbio na fi! Fucking, let's go. Fucking let's...
Pushing hard now, pushing hard.
Come on.
Copy.
You can use energy.
Okay.
All okay on fuel, so you can do what you want for speed.
With a guy. Bij DRS? Doe ik altijd DRS? Oh, yes, Spear! One 123.1. What the hell? Okay, lle ma'n tynnu i ffwrdd, wa. Ond ddo, 123 though.
It's a spin!
Ooh,
Let's
spin.
take a look at the replay. Now let's look at this. Here's George Russell.
Oh.
What a spin!
Na, gadael o fynd. Dwi'n mynd... Sbio ddo. Dwi wedi pigo fyny pace, de. No Stroll. Oh, spear. Easy. Ti'n gwybod beth dwi'n gwneud efo Stroll? Effort. Just like ofyn os mae'n pit. He's getting the softs. He's getting the softs for the last 10 laps.
Push a bit more.
Okay.
Un beth dwi'n poeni amdano de, yn y ras dwytha, o'ch ddim yn cael unlapio dyn chwaith de, so dwi'n poeni chdig bach am hynna de. Okay, pace race. Gath o'r tor sy'n dwytha do. Na'n iawn.
No saving required.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it easy.
Copy.
Push more.
Okay.
Okay. Lap 48. Whoa, pan gwys i lap slow fyna, Stroll. Set up fucking. Sbio ar y lap times rwan. Yo, big fucking brain rwan, yo. Still. On Strolls are softs, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna be absolutely dim fucking petrol at all. Light as a feather. Fastest time of the fucking race, man. Let's go. Push. Push. DRS eisiau, DRS eisiau. Ti'n eisiau overtake fo? Fucking... Sbia ar y fucking lap yma. Oh shit.
Doing a good job, keep pushing.
Oh my god! Okay, one.
You good to push?
Yeah.
Asio fo? Dwi'n gynnu dau lap. Oes. Fucking hell, Magnussen. Unlucky. Well, so. Eto, no man's land efo Vettel.
Push now.
Yeah.
You can stop, lift and coast.
Copy.
Mate, ti'n trash. Absolute trash.
I think there's been a lock-up.
Gaan we wel constant aan de winden.
We can push again.
Okay.
Okay, happy to lift and coast.
Yeah, copy.
Oh my god. City more slow.
Do what you can to keep the tyres cool.
Awesome fucking points.
That's Leclerc. Charles Leclerc is today's winner.
Fucking hell.
Sebastian Vettel with a comfortable result for his team here. Aston Martin had a good enough weekend, but there's still some margin for improvement here.
Yep.
Getting better.
For them to think about and strategize, and certainly a good enough result for now.
With the race wrapped up, the team is ranked in 9th in the constructor standings.
Now the team
O'n i'n gallu dal Schumacher yn ôl on pace, though. Sbyn o'n rwbath, de.
Romania Grand Prix.
Faith allu
Get
dal
ready
off
for some
pace.
fierce competition.
Has he got more growth potential? Development points. Has he got development points? How many should do is Aston Martin? Oh my god. Drivers. So just question, right? Okay. Oh no. Ben Mitchell has a low morale. Staff facilities. Fucking just. Just fucking spend the money. Fucking yes. Oh. Dwi lawr i 5.1 or 5.9 million dollars. Whatever. Shit, be oedd hwnna. Shit, ni'n mynd... ni'n mynd gwrando! Oh, fucking hell. Ready to be manufactured? Fuck's sake, iawn. 2. Fuck it. Emergency. Spend the fucking cash. Yes. Okay. Yes, we're doing. Should we? Oh my god, but should we? Change. Yeah. So. Yeah, hwn di'r dwi'n goffod y stream man. Diolch am cadw gwmpas de. Ond yeah. Dwi'n ymlaen at y ras nesaf wan. Yndi, fyddai'n goffod y stream man. So, diolch yn fawr. Illa streamio hyn o rhywbeth gwahanol. Dwi isio rest o hwn. Ond yeah, pob sy'n gwachod. Lurkers yn ôl. Wyddai chi yn yr stream nesaf. Goodbye.